And the wirings here. This is Felipe's room. Another scrap here. That's their, that's they want to be. About this one, it's his work. Another something like that. This is the Felipe's work that sent to John and Mercedes.
It's just the front or the back?
I guess the front is there is a whole hole there.
I hope this is the back.
Where?
What will it be in here? I hope that's the back.
Oh yeah, might be the back. Oh, you look at the back. It's a scrapped here. You look at the back. It's scrapped there. She cannot get the full wood attached. He has to cut